I custom ordered these from ASV to kind of match the bike. Hopefully the color's close. What's going on, everybody? EJR here, finally in front of the camera. My buddy Chris is behind the camera today filming. Today we're going to be putting on some ASV levers on the 2019 ZX10R, which is also known as the Baba Yaga. I'm going to be replacing these ZX10R stickers with a sticker that says the Baba Yaga. I'll probably do it similar to the Bitch Ninja, but I'm going to try and keep this font because I might replace the stickers on that bike. But anyway, I'm going to unbox the ASV levers and then I'm going to install them and show you what they look like. They're going to look pretty badass because they're pretty color matched to the gray here, and the knobs, which I don't have any on and show you here, but the adjustment knobs are in black. Here we go. That was a terrible cut. I custom ordered these from ASV to kind of match the bike. Hopefully the color's close. So we're going to be experiencing these at the same time. So this is the clutch lever. That's pretty good. Can't really complain about that. That's as close as it's going to get. That was the only gray they offered. Let's open up the brake lever. They include a nice little zip tie this time, or a wire tie. Alright, this is going to go right in here. Oh, that's going to look badass. That is going to look badass. Alright, so we're going to start with the clutch lever side. And once you twist in the adjuster all the way, you're going to want to come over here and undo this bolt as well. Because right now you can't pull the cable out from the lever. So this makes it a lot easier. Also, put a piece of tape here if you care about the clutch cover so it doesn't get scratched up. Alright, now that the bolt's out, see how we can pull this past? You can't, this wouldn't clear this adjuster without that bolt being out. So now we just do this. Come on. Come on, you're almost there. There we go. Now what you gotta do is there's a nut under here. I'm gonna loosen these two bolts here first so I can twist that lever around. Alright, now I gotta go ahead and get a Phillips head. Alright, when you actually remove the clutch switch here, these small tiny Phillips head screws have blue Loctite on them. They're kind of a pain in the ass, so make sure you use a lot of pressure on those or else you will strip those threads. So now you have a 10mm nut here. Crack that free. Take the bolt slash plunger out, and now your lever should be free to go. Like that. And that's your basic boring lever. Now we're gonna grab the ASV lever. A nice fancy one. Slide that in the same way, just like that. Boom. Now make sure that this still has a lot of grease on it, so it's fine, but make sure this little plunger here is greased. Slide that through, find the groove. Where is it? There it is. Spin it up, put the nut on the back side. Tighten it. It is a lock nut, so it's not going to go anywhere. So tighten it while you still have full mobility here. If this thing struggles to move a little bit, you've tightened it too much. All right, so I screwed back on the clutch switch. Now I'm going to take this, put this in the actual lever here, find the hole. That's what she said. He said. Someone said it. It was a weird night. All right, there we go. Finally in the hole. Put that back in that groove. Now I'm going to adjust where I want the lever to sit. So I got to sit kind of on the bike. So that's way too high. I want these to be kind of parallel, so that's probably a good spot right there. Let me slide it up here. Yeah, that's good. I like that right there. Do the torque setting that I like to call good and tight. That's nice. Now I have to go put the screw back in on the clutch cover side. Remove the tape. Give it a quick wipe. All right, we're gonna thread this back out now. You always want a little slack here, simply because if there isn't any, this is going to be pulling on the clutch a little bit, and that's how you'll burn up a clutch really easily. So, we'll leave it right there. We've got a good amount of pull, and then we just pull this out a little bit. So we got some good throw there in the clutch. You can hear the clutch switch, so we're good there. All right, so next we're going to be installing the brake lever. And this one's fairly easy to remove. Allen head up top, 10mm nut. Take the new plunger that comes with the lever, put it in yonder like so. Make sure you got these sleeves in. Make sure there's grease on this, which there already is. This is a brand new bike, so we don't really need to add anymore. Put the nut on the bottom. Turn this a little bit. And that's literally all she wrote for the brake lever. There you go. Here's the OEM lever, the boring one. Just a black lever. All right, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up the install of the gray ASV levers. We've got the clutch side, we've got the brake side. They are the shorties. They look pretty good, although I kind of wish this master was silver or gray. Gold will have to do. But anyway, that's it for this video and this install. What I am gonna tease you guys with for the next video is the AIM MXK10 dash that's gonna be going in this bike. I've teased it on Instagram in the Bitch Ninja, and now we're gonna be installing it on the 2019 bike, AKA the Baba Yaga. You guys know what to do. Like the video if you liked it, thumbs down if you hated it and you hate me, subscribe if you haven't, and if you already have subscribed, tap the bell icon so you get notified of more videos like this. All right guys, take care and I'll see you in the next one.